All right, let me turn the light on here. Well guys, welcome back. So I'm in the driveway at home again, and I want to do a little bit of modification to the back end of this truck. So as you just saw, I have to lean way out to grab the tailgate in order to close it, and I always grab right up here. But I have this little strap here. So this is like a webbing strap. It was on a little camera bag that I had, but it wasn't removable, and I never used the shoulder strap, so I cut it off of there. It's got an adjustment thing on here so I can make this little loop bigger or smaller, but I'm going to mount this right against one of the factory bolts back here. I am going to have to cut a little slit in the carpet. I really was trying to avoid that. I had a couple other ideas in mind, but it's not a big deal because I have cut slits for the tie down points that are on the lower parts of the bed. But I'm gonna hop out, we'll grab a couple tools and a knife, and we'll get this thing slapped on there. This should be one of those 5-minute mods that I should have done quite a while ago. So let's get after this, guys. Alright guys, so I've got my strap and a few tools here. We're going to go ahead and pick this carpet up. So this is a bed rug brand rug. It's held in everywhere with Velcro. It is made to fit my model of truck. They make multiple different bed rug options. And like I said, it's all just kind of held in with Velcro. You can see it's a little bit cushioned on the back. And what I'm going to use is, if you can see these 3 bolts here, just hold on the tailgate handle from the outside. So I'm going to attach this via one of these bolts. I'm going to take this bolt out, this far one right here, and I'm going to cut a tiny little slit so that this can pass through the carpet, and I'm just going to sandwich it between that washer and the tailgate on the truck. I think it should hold. I don't think it's going to tear. If it does, it's easily removable and we can replace it, but I think this should be long enough for me to grab and pull up. If it's too long, you won't be able to close it out very well. So there we go. Hopefully this doesn't jack up my tailgate handle at all, but it shouldn't. Alright, there's the bolt we removed, and we are just going to stick this straight through this webbing. I might try to melt it a little bit, but just so it doesn't tear. Give it a mark. I'm just using a disposable razor knife here. Could probably get away with just cutting an X in there. Maybe we just do it. Yeah, an X is going to be good. Alright, so we've got the strap in there. Let's go ahead and try to melt that a little bit just so it doesn't continue to fray. There we go, that looks pretty good. Alright, before we bolt this down, I'm going to mark my spot on here. You can see on the back of this where the bolts have been pressed against there. So I want to go on the bottom side of it, and just a slit about as wide as that looks right there. Try to keep it straight. Shove her on through. We've got this stuck in there. I'm going to go ahead and bolt it back down now. I did melt those edges, so it's probably going to be a bit of a tighter fit now. But there we go. think that's good and tight. Alright, pull that through and we'll try to get this set down appropriately here. There we go. It doesn't really pull on the carpet at all. Like, it doesn't pull the carpet up, but that is attached nicely. Yes, let me hop in here and see if I can grab it and close this scoop. Just broke my knife. Ow. I just cut the crap out of myself. Alright, so we're in here. I did remember to grab that out from under the carpet. I was like, why is there a big lump right there? But I grabbed a band-aid for my finger because I'm an idiot. But there we go. We've got the strap right here. I can easily reach down and grab it. In fact, it could probably be a little bit smaller. Now the test will be if I can close this without grabbing the roof. There we go. Super simple. And it'll just hang down like so. Doesn't really get in the way. I can open this up. And if I'm cooking or something, I can toss it out like so. And I know the lighting here is terrible. And I can still reach out and grab it if it's flopped out and just pull the tailgate closed. I definitely should have done this a long time ago, but it's done now. So, a quick little mod for you guys. If you have exposed bolts like that on the back of your tailgate, this will be something really simple. In fact, I can grab it from like halfway in the truck now and close it up. So that's really nice. You probably don't need the that for adjustment, but it's nice to have. Yeah, and then it just falls right back down into place. So I'm gonna get ready to go out and do some camping, guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a quick one, but a simple mod that is going to be incredibly useful. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.